What the steering's going to do,
Yeah,
I have no idea. Here's the 900-pound thrust engine. It's a twin, two 450s. Have a box between them, between the combustion chambers, so they're running as a single engine. Whole bunch of pumps down here. Takes a lot of pumps to put out enough pressure and put enough fuel through it. Ate up. When I looked in, it looked like it ate 2 gallons, just about 2 gallons of fuel in the time that it ran. Anyway, man, it is a beast. Really uncomfortable to be around when it's running. I need to get me a shield so I can keep the shock wave off me while I'm running it. Because if I would have been running that for 2 minutes or something like that, I wouldn't have been able to take it. But anyway, this is, believe it or not, these engines are going on a sailboat. It's going to be the loudest 45-foot sailboat in the world, I would guess. See how fast it'll push it.